we can rename test case. Once again, guys, observe everyone. So open test case, then like right click, go to rename. Here we can change the name, duplicate with the same name. One more test case also we can create to modify, to edit or something, and delete. Everyone, delete. We can delete test cases also. Let me perform these operations, guys. For example, verify flights. Verify flights. I want to rename. Select test case. Select test case. Go to rename. What are the name you want to modify? You can modify, but I'm not doing that. Just I'm showing that. Click on rename. So you can change. And already I recorded register and login test cases now. If you want to create same kind of one more test case, then right click on test case. Are able to see, guys, duplicate option? Are able to see, guys, duplicate option? So if you click with the same name, one more test case will be created. With the same name, one more test case will be created. Yes, with the same name, one more test case will be created. What is the use? We can edit. We can edit. Everyone, understand up to here? Okay, I hope you understood, guys. Okay, so how to do that? Right click, duplicate with the same name, one more test case will be created. So if you want to edit the existing one, or if you want to modify, so you can use this option. You can use this option. Yes, you can use this option. So everyone, and if you want to delete, just right click on test case, you can delete. You can delete. Once again, guys. So test case we can rename, we can create the duplicate, and as well as we can delete. Last option are able to see export. Important topic. Important topic. Whenever record test case in Selenium IDE, it's record as a HTML format. It's record as a which format? HTML format. But later we can converting into other languages. What are the languages we can convert? What are the languages we can convert? C Sharp, Java, Python, and Ruby. C Sharp, Java, Python, and Ruby. So we can converting into other languages. I'll show guys. For example, this login code, I want to convert into C Sharp language. How? Right click, go to export. You can select which language you want to select. You want to convert, you can select. Click on export. Click on export. I selected. Click on save. Not only C Sharp, same example. Right click on test case, export. Choose Python, export, same I am giving desktop. So everyone, we can save. Let me show guys on my desktop here. Are able to see guys login test case like Python format and C# format. But in my notepad, I mean in my system, there is no notepad Python C# now. See, it is open as a, are able to see open as a C# format or Python format. Same open this. Understand guys this one? C# format. So like test case, we can converting into other languages. How? Right click on the test case, export. You can choose which language you want to export, then choose. Understand my point? Okay. After that, everyone, you understood? Sorry, let me write. So you understood how to recording and playback, and as well as how to rename and delete and duplicate, and how to export test cases. What are the languages we can export? We can export into Java, C#, Java, Python, and Ruby. Everyone, C#, Java, Python, and Ruby. Yes, yes, exactly. Now, next concept. Selenium IDE has three sections such as command, target, value. Once again, Selenium IDE has how many sections? Three, such as command, target, value. Uh, Let me write. Selenium IDE has three sections. One is command, second one is target, third one is value. Everyone, command, target, and value. What is meaning of command? List of Selenium commands will be recorded. List of Selenium commands will be recorded under the command section. Location will be recorded under the target, and inputs will be recorded under the value. Once again, guys, command, list of Selenium commands, and second one, target, nothing but location. Third one, value, nothing but inputs. Nothing but inputs. Let me show guys, open Selenium IDE. Are able to see guys commands here? Are able to see? Open, set window handle, click, type, all are called as Selenium and also called as Selenis commands. Target means location. See, link text. I mean, which location? Sign in location, password location, date of birth location. So location will be recorded under the target. Value means input. Password what I given, email ID what I given, My first name what I given here. All are, all are, all are values. Once again, guys, list of Selenium commands will be recorded under the command section. Location will be recorded under the target. Inputs will be recorded under the value. Inputs will be recorded under the value. So how many Selenium commands are there? Let me write Selenium and also called as Selenese commands. Totally 526 commands are there, but no worry, no need to learn all. Frequently, we are using the five commands more than enough, such as everyone, once again, Selenium or Selenese commands. What are the Selenium or Selenese commands during recording? Under the command section, what are the commands are recorded? All are called as Selenium or Selenese commands. Frequently, some commands such as open, type, click and wait, and select. Everyone, once again, open, type, click and wait, select. Whenever open the browser navigate page, then command will be recorded as a open. Whenever open the browser navigate page, then command will be recorded as a open. Whenever any text box, email ID, first name, last name, or phone number, whenever enter something input, then type command will be recorded. Whenever click on button, radio button, images, whenever click on any element, then whenever click on any element, then whenever click on any element, then click exclusively for link. If it is a link, because if it is a link, if I click, it will go to next page. Exclusively for link, the command as click and wait. Whenever select value from Dropbox, then use command as select. Once again, guys, everyone, whenever open the browser navigate page, then open command. Whenever insert data into text box as type command. Whenever click on any element, then except button, checkbox, button, checkbox, radio button, and images. Exclusively for link, click and wait. And whenever list box, select value from Dropbox, then we can use command as a select. Then we can use command as a what? Select. Everyone, understand up to here? Say yes or no? Let me show different examples, guys. For example, let's open Mercury Travels application. Here, everyone, I want to insert data, select not insert data. Email ID, I want to insert as ramkey.trainer like that. Tell me, guys, I want to insert data. So guys, I'm not selecting. Just I am inserting data, right? Tell me now, which command will be recorded? Which command will be recorded? Good. Guys, here I am inserting now. So as a type. Subham, not click, as a type. Yes. If I click on login button, then click because it is button. Click. Next. Are you able to see register link I want to click? Are you able to see register link I want to click? It is link. So click and wait. Click and wait. Yes, and I want to select value from type of holiday. Then use command as a select. Then use command as a what? Select. Everyone, once again, here, what are the examples I'm explaining? All are will be recorded while performing operations on same element. Once again, guys, there are frequently using the five commands such as open. Let me write. Use it to open browser. Open. Use it to, open browser and navigate URL. Navigate URL. Type. Insert data to text box. Nothing but example email ID, password, something else. Next, click on buttons, checkboxes, radio button, images. If you click on any kind of that element except the link, click and wait. Exclusively, everyone, click and wait. Difference is there. Click only for button. Everyone, click and wait. Click on buttons, checkbox, radio buttons, and images. Click and wait. Exclusively link. Exclusively for what? Link. Select. Whenever select a value from list box. Select a value from list box. Okay. Everyone. Next. Test batch. What is mean by test batch? Let me write. Everyone. A group of what is test batch? A group of related test cases called test batch. Once again, guys, everyone, a group of related test cases called test batch. A group of related test cases called as test batch and also called as test suite and also called as test chain and also called as test set. Once again, guys, everyone, what is test batch? A group of related test cases called test batch and also called as test suite and also called as test chain and also called as test set and also called as what? Test set. What is test batch? For example, here, let me take example. In this page, number of cases are there. Register, login, holidays, all. For example, if 10 cases are there, how to execute 10 cases? Of course, open test case number 1, click on run, we can check the result. Open test case number 2, again click on run, we can check the result. Again test case number 3, click on run, we can check the result. Like that, if you want to run test cases one by one. Everyone, one by one. It will take too much of time. So what we can do that for particular module, how many number of test cases are there? If I combine all cases as a group or one batch, all cases as a one group or one batch, then combining all, execute as a one test batch. Once again, guys, what is test batch? A group of related test cases, nothing but call as test batch and also called as test suite and also called as what? Test suite. First of all, here all are individual test cases. Now, how to create as a test batch? Now, in my left side, you can see test cases, but all are individual test cases. First of all, combining cases, prepare as a test batch. Do one thing. Let me record second one also. Actually, we recorded only two. Register login. Let me record one more holidays. Okay. First, I want to record holidays. Select. Click on OK. Then I'll click on international holidays. And here select destination as London. Okay. Select duration as 4 nights. Click on search. I'm recording this one. Okay, enough. Let's stop the recording. Stop recording. Now, how many cases are there? 3 recorded, right? 3 cases are there. 3, I want to create as a test batch. I want to create as a what? Test batch. How? Under test menu, you can find out the heading as test suite. Are you able to see? And under test menu, you can find out as test suite. Yes, go to test suite. There we can create test batch. How? Are you able to see, guys? Again, add icon, which is used to create test case. Same. Click on that. Now, I'm not creating test case. I'm creating test suite. For example, I'm writing as home page. Anything you can write. I'm writing home page. So you can write anything. Understand my point? Home page. So you can write anything, guys. So just a page name I take and click on add. Now see, guys, under test suite, home page visible. Under test suite, home page visible. But open this icon left side. Any test cases here? No. Let's add under the home page. How many cases are there? Let me add into this. Right click. Are you able to see, guys, add test option after right click on test batch? Let's add. It will show list of test cases. Already 3 I recorded. Let's select 1, second test case, third test case, like that. How many you want to add into this test batch? You can select, click on select. Understand my point? Everyone, observe now. Now, under the home page test batch, 3 cases are there. Under home page test batch, 3 cases are there. Got it my point up to here? Yes. Under home page, everyone, under the home page, 3 test cases, there. How to run, guys? Now let's go to test. So test option. Here are able to see, guys, this is option. This is option used to execute single test case. But first option used to run all test, meaning whenever you want to execute, Everyone, whenever you want to execute multiple test batch, then we can use first option. Whenever you want to execute single test case, then we can use option as run current test. Once again, guys, now everyone, whenever you want to execute test batch, use option as run all test. So whenever you want to execute single test, then we can use run current test. Let's click on the run current test option, guys. I'm executing what? Single test case. I'm not executing multiple. This is only single test case. Just for your understanding, I'm showing that. Just for your understanding, I'm showing either pass or fail. Just for your understanding. I thought it's fail. No, no, no. Okay. Okay, I want to stop to show the fail. Now, guys, I execute only single test case, result fail now. Now, these three already selected, I created under test suite as home page now. Under home page I created, right? Now I am going to test. Are you able to see as first option? If I click here under my test batch, how many cases are there? All will be executed. I'll click. Observe, guys. See, test case number one completed. I mean, now test case number two executing. See, test case number one and test case number two. And after again test case number three. Everyone understand how it will be done one by one, one by one. Yes. One by one, all test cases will be executed. One by one, all test cases will be executed. Are you clear my point up to here? But of course, result we can check here. See, some cases are pass, some cases are fail. But you know what is use of test batch? Whenever a group of cases are there, instead of executing one by one, if we combine all as a, if we combine all as a one test batch, yes, all as a one test batch and executing the test case at one point of control. Once again, what is test batch? A group of related test cases, nothing what call as test batch and also called as test suite and also called as test chain and a test set. Yes. Okay. Next concept. Next concept, debugging. Everyone, what is meaning of debugging? Debugging concept, tomorrow class, I'll explain, guys. So are you clear up to here? I need your response, guys, in chat box. Guys, if you understand, just ping me reply in chat box. Yes. No problem, Tripati. Tomorrow, once again, I'll show you that. Thank you guys. Thank you for your response. Sure, Vivu. Thank you guys. Thank you so much. Remaining, we can continue tomorrow. Of course, tomorrow also class is there. Yes, Azim, thank you. Guys, Monday, I'll create the WhatsApp group with our students. Then while practicing, if you have any doubt, we can discuss in the group also. So tomorrow, same time, same link, don't miss the class. Tomorrow, same time, same link, don't miss the class. Yes, Monday onwards, you will get the everyday recordings, guys. Same link. Tomorrow, same link. If you have any doubts, any questions, you can ping me in chat box every day after class. Few minutes, I'll wait to clarify your doubts. Yes, Mamata, we will cover API testing in our training. Yes, we will cover the basics of task also in our training. Anusha, I'll show you once again in tomorrow class how to install the IDE. Thank you guys. Thank you for your response. We can continue tomorrow. Don't miss the class. Thank you. Bye-bye. Have a nice day to all.